guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it is my friend Sierra's birthday and we're gonna go celebrate that with her at the beach today. But she's having a little breakfast, so I'm gonna go to that and then we're gonna head over to the beach where we're doing like jet skis and all this other stuff. It seems like it's gonna be a really good time, so I can't wait to go and see them. Eee! I don't know who is all gonna be there, but I know it's gonna be a good time. So either or, I'm gonna have fun. And you guys are gonna come with me. So let's get it on. And look at this new bathing suit I got at, where was I? Ross with Lisa and Lex. I was at Ross and I got this cute little bathing suit. It's giving, I don't know what it's giving. It's giving like picnic 2000s. I don't know, but it's cute. So, eee. So I'm on my way up to the hotel room, and when I tell you, I just saw, but he wasn't even that cute. It's just he was muscular and he had tattoos. I was like, ooh. But I'm going up to the room, so I'm so excited. Hey y'all, so now I'm out on the beach and going jet skiing. Everybody's up there because I left my wallet in the car. But girl, I asked her how much it cost. $100 to ride jet skis. Jeez, that is a lot of daggone money. But I'm here to have fun, and I'm here for as long as Jesus will have me, so might as well have fun doing it, right?
Yeah, you.
Antoinette, you got anything you want to say before you get on?
Okay, y'all, I'm back from the beach. Riding those jet skis was so fun. When I tell you, like, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't even describe it. But it was such a fun time, and I met a friend. Like, she was also part of the group that was like with the birthday party, but she drove the jet ski while I was like on the back end. And when I tell you, like, she is so fun to talk to. So we traded Instagrams. She is super nice, and I hope we can become like really good friends. But yeah, it's hot. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm doing great for time. I'm going straight home so I can edit this and hopefully get it out by today. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my vlog of me jet skiing for the first time. And check out my channel for any other content that you guys might want to see. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.